Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ihtisham and today I will show you how to fix BodyMovin render problem in After Effects. As you can see that file is not rendering, so now I will show you how to fix. Click on edit and then click on preference and then click on the last option, allow this option and then click on OK. So now you will see that our problem is solved. Okay, I will rename this file. So now you can see that the file is rendering. In this way you can fix BodyMovin problem in After Effects. Thanks for watching guys and support us if you like our video.